As long as we work and communicate as a team, we make sure that project's completed in the end and everybody's happy.
Hi, my name is Igor Jokanovic.
Hi, my name is Davor Jokanovic. Welcome to Arete Renovators.
Arete Renovators is a full design and build family-owned firm. We focus on kitchen and bathroom remodeling.
Arete Renovators specializes in residential, commercial, downtown projects. We are a full-service company that specializes with design and build.
Our father started his firm in 2002 from love of the carpentry and woodworking. We registered our business in Rockford, Illinois, and we continued in 2008, and ever since we've been growing the company.
Our father was a banker, and he did the carpentry as a hobby. When we came to the United States, our father wanted to pursue building carpentry full-time. We originally bought our first house to flip, and accidentally, Igor and I got into that with our father to help. Somehow, 20 years later, we're doing it full-time. So it's kind of full circle. Arete Renovators provides full service when it comes to design and build. Most of our business is residential. However, we do some commercial projects as well. We do anything from small bathroom projects to a full new construction. We do anything from interior to remodeling, flooring, drywall, kitchen, bathrooms, carpentry, all the mechanicals, as well as we do exterior work, roofing, tuck pointing, new masonry, things like that.
Every time a client walks in here, first we focus on design and meeting their needs. And then we deal a little bit more of aesthetics and how do we make this functional but also look beautiful.
When you build something, you want to make it last. Quality always has been number one when it comes to how we run our business.